Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For a long time, watch this video till to end. Floods in China.
On June 8, 2025, Shaoyang, Hunan, was completely devastated by a sudden rainstorm. The rainstorm began to fall clearly in the early morning. The whole city seemed to be thrown into a bucket and rolled around in just a few hours. Along the Ning Line, Jinwutang Town, Dongko Line, Jiangkou Town, and other places became the hardest hit areas of this disaster. Overnight, houses were soaked, cars were blown away, and roads were broken. The armor that Xingxing had worked so hard to put on was also washed away. The flood unceremoniously washed back the people's year-long heartbreak. No one expected that the hope that was renewed in the spring would be washed away by the heavy rain in the summer. As of now, 13,000 people have been affected in the area. Especially in Shuning, some houses were severely damaged. Residents were evacuated urgently. Who could have thought that a rainstorm could make a building crooked? It's not that the natural disaster was too sudden, but that the foundation of the house had long been unable to withstand the wind and rain. It was just exposed this time. Floods were rampant in places such as Gulunaxi. The water level of the Mugashi River downstream surged, and the village was swallowed by water. Overnight, it turned from land into a water tank. And on social platforms, many netizens posted videos of their doorsteps turning into water. Some people opened their doors, and water poured directly into the living room. Heavy rains have battered parts of central China's Hunan province since Saturday night, causing waterlogging, damaging roads, and prompting an emergency response from local authorities. Suming County experienced particularly intense rainfall on Sunday morning, with an average precipitation of 69.2 mm and a maximum of 187.1 mm.
过错误马上就要到了，我自己搓牙个屎，这个换个水，整全部大体管。
活水的点汗。小孩是，我妈的是不是得湿的？
啊，还得是这样的，还得是这样的。
The downpour triggered landslides and road damage in several areas. In response, the local transportation department immediately dispatched emergency repair teams to the affected sections. Large machines were deployed to clear collapsed rocks and mud from landslides, while damaged roads were repaired to ensure the smooth operation of detour routes.
挂钱，插挂钱。我操，这谁干的？
According to statistics from the local emergency department, the heavy rains have affected over 13,000 people across 7 towns in the county, with some farmland submerged.
看我现在有点挂鱼了。
In Shaoyang City, torrential rains from Saturday night to Sunday morning brought an average precipitation of 40.6 millimeters and a maximum of 174 millimeters.
哪个的鱼啊？
黄河之水天上来，朋友们，现在是早上的6点44分，我们被困在这里。现在天将暴雨，河水猛涨，公路已经被淹掉了，非常的危险。你看，护栏都已经被淹没了。 地势较低的房子已经进水了，场面非常的壮观。困在这里走不了喽。
The downpour triggered a landslide at the entrance of a tunnel, prompting authorities to activate an emergency response. Vehicles and personnel were dispatched to the site, and after more than 3 hours of work, the road was reopened to traffic. Xinhua County in Lodi City also experienced heavy rainfall from Saturday morning to midnight, accumulating 124.7 millimeters of precipitation. Many low-lying roads in the county were severely waterlogged. The rain also caused serious flooding at a local high school, which serves as a site for the National College entrance exam. Local urban management staff rushed to clear debris and silt from the drainage systems. To ensure the smooth travel of the examinees, we have deployed more people and machines. After a full night of hard work, we guaranteed that the route for examinees was clean, tidy, and smooth, said Sun Zhen, a local official. Thanks to their efforts, there was no traffic congestion at exam sites across the county on Sunday morning, and all students arrived at the site smoothly. This year's National College Entrance Exam, also known as the Gokao, began nationwide on Saturday, with a total of 13.35 million students participating.
Yiyang, Hunan, was hit by heavy rain on the evening of June 7, with 90 millimeters of rainfall in 1 hour, causing serious waterlogging in the urban area. South China was hit by a large-scale rainstorm today, with the maximum rainfall in northern Wuhan exceeding 300 mm in 6 hours. Wuhu, Anhui province was hit by heavy rain on the morning of June 7, with 82.1 mm of rainfall in 1 hour. Guangzhou was hit by heavy rain early this morning, with rainfall exceeding 150 mm in 3 hours, and some streets were flooded.
太恐怖了，顶盖都上来了。
走这里边边，这里有一条路。
Anhui, China, June 7, 2025. The Central Meteorological Observatory issued a yellow ring storm warning at term on June 7. It is expected that from 14 to June 7 to 40 and on June 8 parts of South or Anhui, South Eastern Jianhe, Northern Jiangmen, Central and South or in Quito at northwestern Guangxi will have heavy to torrential rain among each part of southern and we saw their geometry. Eastern Hubei in northwestern Zhejiang will have heavy rain 100 mm to 180 mm in some of the above mentioned or will be accompanied by short-term heavy rainfall. A maximum early rainfall of 30 mm to 60 meters and luckily more than a letter on us. A local strong convective weathers I just understands and gills shortly after the one who was issued by the Central Meteorological Observatory. Several areas were affected by flooding, floodwaters inundated roads and residential areas. Many vehicles were stuck in the water, making some routes impossible. In the early morning of June 7, the Wuhu Meteorological Observatory issued a red warning signal for heavy rain. The warning shows steady recitation. Infection town Dunjiam shot their Dishon egg shot 1 though 1 June and Yongnam in Wuhu may actually 100 million meters in the next hours. Short-term heavy precipitation may have a serious impact on urban traffic and candidates travel around. Would you go that route for a job? These heavy rain happen on the first day of the college entrance examination. Nearly 25,000 candidates in Wuhu city to be exiled and multiple test sites were set up in one city in the face of severe weather. The Wuhu Really Simple Education Department has launched an emergency plan to ensure that the exam is not affected. But you're not going to be hungry and off or off I will walk or monitors would be we're going on bomber. €100 not to have available at 7:57. The Will Meteorological Observatory changed the red warning for heavy rain and required all relevant departments to enter the emergency state immediately and do their best to carry out rescue and prevention work. The heavy rain where there brought many inconveniences to the candidates and their parents. Despite these, there was still subsection of the road we had water accumulation and traffic was a factor to a certain extent. In response to the rain, the relevant departments of Wuhu city took a series of measures. All the traffic police department took up their posts to strengthen the traffic diversion on the roads around the examination room. The municipal department quickly started the drainage system to ensure that the water on the road was removed as soon as possible. The bus company also increased the frequency to facilitate the candidates' travel. Shows I returned year old afraid you're at all you know how to job as you was those are dog would you know those were. The Central Image Logical of the battery issued a blue warning for several convective weather attack on June 7. It is expected that from party and on June 7 to 14 on June 8 bars of the Central Huanhui saw there and Yangwai Northern Yangmen Southeast and Southwest China. In other places we'll have thunderstorms are hill above level 8.